Hey guys, this is Akshay here from Gadget Diary, and today we have with us Lenovo SmartCast, which is the world's first laser projection smartphone. This is currently in prototype phase, and in this video we are just going to give you an overview and a quick demo of this smartphone. As you can see, it comes with a rotatable portion at the bottom which acts as a projector and can be used to display projection on any surface. You can rotate it, and at the back side you get a camera module which has a stand enabled, so you can place it like this without any need of any external stand and then project the screen on the surface. It is an interactive display, so you can use your fingers to interact with the projection. Let me just give you a quick example how and what all you can do with the projection. So as you can see, we are projecting the display on this flat table. You can use this area to use it as a keyboard, a piano, to play games, or even use applications where you can just write various characters and it would recognize those characters and would convert them into numbers or characters depending upon the app. Right now we are giving an example of handwriting recognition, and you can see that the touch response of this display area is very good, so you can really interact with the smartphone by just using the display area being projected here. It can give you a projection of up to 50 inches, which is good for viewing videos and even playing games. So let me just give you an example by playing a game. So right now we have Fruit Ninja with us. We tested the game and we are really impressed with this prototype. It is currently in the concept or prototype phase, and still it was able to register a touch on this projection screen very easily, which is a very impressive thing. Not sure about its commercial availability and when will it be available publicly. Right now it's in concept or prototype phase. It also has various applications like this piano, which works very well. Right now we don't have the audio available, so we can't show you the piano working, but as you can see, it has a lot of preloaded applications which can be used in the projection mode. You can also play interactive games. Right now we are trying to play the sniper shooting game where you can move your phone around in the projection to locate enemies and shoot them. Overall, it is very interesting and innovative concept from Lenovo, and we hope that we will be able to see the first product next year. So that was all about the quick demo and overview of the Lenovo SmartCast, which can be used as a keyboard and an interactive display. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos, and thanks for watching.